two of the biggest names in insurance, but when it comes to protecting what matters most, who stands out? Liberty Mutual or Erie Insurance? On one side, there's Liberty Mutual, offering flexible coverage and nationwide service. On the other, Erie Insurance, known for its personal touch and customer-first approach. Let's set aside the marketing talk and break down what really matters. We'll score each category so by the end you'll know exactly which insurance provider has the edge. And trust me, the winner here might just surprise you. Here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing. We've got price and value, customer service, policy options, claims experience, and availability. So grab a snack, we're going deep. Kicking things off with price and value, Liberty Mutual offers tons of discounts and you can really customize your policy, which is nice. But to be totally honest, they can be a bit pricier than what you'll see from some of the regional players. Now when you flip over to Erie, this is where they shine. Erie is consistently one of the lowest average premiums out there and you get excellent bang for your buck. Downside? They're not available everywhere, mainly Midwest, Mid-Atlantic, and a bit of the Southeast. But if you do live in their area, the value is honestly hard to beat. So Erie takes the win here for price, hands down. Let's talk about customer service. Liberty Mutual is solid with their 24/7 claim support, which, no joke, is pretty convenient if you wreck your car at like 2 a.m. But, and this is a big but, they get mixed reviews online and are kinda below average on complaint scores. Erie, on the other hand, is killing it. Year after year, they rank near the top for customer satisfaction. People love the personal touch from local agents, though you don't get 24/7 phone claims, just an online form if it's after hours. Still, their reputation just blows Liberty out of the water in this category, so Erie's taking the win again. Policy options, Liberty Mutual is the heavyweight here. They've got coverage literally everywhere and their add-on options are actually pretty creative. Like, ever heard of better car replacement or accident forgiveness? Those are pretty unique perks. The only real knock is, sometimes it might not be as tailored as what you'd get from a more regional company. Erie does a good job too, with nice features like diminishing deductibles and rate lock, and their basic coverage is super solid. But compared to Liberty's buffet of options, Erie's add-ons feel a bit limited. Liberty Mutual wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Erie has ranked first or second in the J.D. Power Auto Insurance Satisfaction Study for more than 10 years? That is honestly wild if you think about all the competition out there. Let's chat about the claims experience. Liberty Mutual has digital options, mobile app, you can file a claim half asleep, which is kind of amazing, but their satisfaction scores for how those claims are actually handled. Not great. In contrast, Erie is like the old-school neighbor who actually shows up to help, quick payouts, high satisfaction, and agents who actually walk you through everything. Fewer digital shortcuts, but honestly, people seem happier with how things play out. Erie definitely gets the nod here. Alright, availability, super important if you're moving or you just want to keep life simple. Liberty Mutual? Coast to coast, baby, all 50 states. That's huge, but keep in mind the customer experience can feel uneven depending on where you live. Erie takes a totally different approach, focused service in just 12 states and DC. The attention to detail is awesome if you're inside their zone, but for anyone outside, well, you're out of luck. Liberty Mutual's reach is just hard to beat, so yeah, they win this one. So taking a step back, you can really see these two trade blows in different areas. One's better for value and service, the other dominates national reach and customization. Here's the bottom line: if you want amazing service and you're lucky enough to live where Erie operates, they're honestly a top-tier pick. But let's say you move around or just want every option under the sun. Liberty Mutual is your go-to for coverage, flexibility, and sheer availability. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to subscribe or stick around for more expert breakdowns because I've got plenty more in the pipeline.